do you think, love?
I think they look great.
I'm actually very, very happy with them. I can, for shits and giggles, if I wanted to, I can take a little bit off the bottom there, you know, kind of give them a little different attitude. I wanted to maximize my big old piece of cedar, so that's why I cut them out. I wasn't really going to make them that tall. And if you haven't seen the other video, these are Harold. How are we going to say that name? Now I feel bad that I'm Haman. I feel like I'm butchering the name. These are old Harold Haman.
Haman or Hammond?
Hammond. I'm going to say Hammond. Somebody can tell us if we're incorrect. But, there it is right there. These are old black Cork Canada geese. I'm going to assume this is Wiley Cork from back in the day. From my knowledge of Mr. Hammond, Harold Hammond, he did a lot of layout gunning up in Nick Castiglione's Cedar Swamp Gunning Decoys, Nick. His area, the Delaware Bay, up by Woodland Beach. I was going to say Cedar Creek, but Woodland Beach. Up by Woodland Beach, correct myself. But I'm really happy with them. I think they're going to look out really nice. And I'm happy, excited. But you know what I'm more excited about?
Actually using them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
September 10th. So, I'm going to get these heads done. Karen, you did say you don't think I should brand the bottom, so I won't. But maybe I thought in the heads I'll take and engrave Pitboss in there somewhere. Just so that I can say that they were my heads.
Yep.
But I'm really pleased with them. They should kind of go together pretty quick. I'm going to fire the dust collector back up. What time is it?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Fire the dust collector back up. And how long should I work for? No, ask sincerely.
I don't know.
What is Easter?
4 or 5?
It is Easter.
Easter Sunday, yeah.
I don't know. All right, enough rambling. I'm going to turn the dust collector back on, turn YouTube back on, and get into these bad boys. So we do appreciate your follow along. And as always, thinking of you, we are. Boom.